Hey Madness fam, I'm going to be making I forgot to say it in Spanish, but in English it is potato ball. So I'm gonna be making that. So what you're gonna need 3 to 4 potatoes, depending how much you want. Peel them, clean them, and then we're going to chop them up into cubes. And then we're going to have a pot of water ready. Have it like on hot, like simmer the pot of water, put some salt in the water. Then you're going to throw in your cubed potatoes into the pot until they get al dente soft. Okay, so you can see we formed a big potato ball with cornstarch. Remember, you only put on your hand, guys. Don't put it on the potato. Put it on your hand and then massage it, and then it'll make a big potato ball. Okay? Okay. So I wash my hands again. One more time. And then what we're going to do now is we're going to get 3 eggs, breadcrumbs. So then we're going to lightly whisk the egg. Don't make scrambled eggs now, guys. Lightly whisk it. Because you want to season it yourself with some salt and pepper. So yeah, get some breadcrumbs, put enough for as much as you're going to make. Okay. Now, you're going to take some potato mixture that you made, like a handful, like a palm of the mixture. The palm of the mixture, see? So you palm it. You make a ball, yeah? Okay, make a ball. Okay, like a snowball. And it'll be easy because of the cornstarch. Okay, guys? Now, what you want to do is put an indentation right in the middle. Use your thumb, right? Try not to crack the potato in itself, okay? So be very gentle. Thumb it. Look at that. See that? Right in the middle. Okay. I like mine a little open more, because I don't want to be stingy with the meat. I like to have an even balance of meat with potato. Okay. So we're going to stretch it out a little more. Now I have ground beef in here. I already seasoned this before for my acapulia, so I'm going to use the same meat mixture for my potato ball. It has chilies in it because my boys like a little spice, so it has chilies, regular sweet peppers like the green ones and the orange and the red one, and then it also has adobo, sazon, sofrito, some garlic in there, and sazon. So you're gonna take that and you're going to put it inside of your potato ball, right? In there. Okay. Put that in there, and then you're going to take a little piece and you're going to cover and close. All right. be very gentle, but you don't break the potato in itself. Now, you would take your ball, dip the ball into the egg mixture, and you're going to roll it in there. Keep one hand dry, one hand wet, okay? Like when you do breaded steak. See, you can take the eggy yolky ball and put it into the breadcrumb, and you want to cover it. Have your oil already heating up, and then you will put it into your oil and cook it until your breadcrumb is a nice golden crunchy brown, okay, because the potatoes is already cooked and so is your meat mixture. So all you want to do is just cook the breadcrumbs on the outside until it's golden crunchy brown. Take it out, put it on a plate with some paper towel so it can degrease, and then you will eat it with whatever you like. I'm making beans in a pot of rice, and I'm going to throw in some chicken in the oven, and that will be dinner for today. Madness fam, I'm so sorry. I did it again. I started eating the potato bowl. So it's really good. 10 out of 10. I'm making more. I have 4 right now cooking. So yeah. So good. So good. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and join the Madness fam.